Experience the next generation of driving safety and intelligent video recording with the DDPAI N5 Dual 4K HDR Dash Cam, a premium front and rear camera system designed to deliver exceptional image quality, advanced AI technology, and complete protection for your vehicle day and night. In this video, we take a detailed look at the DDPAI N5, one of the most advanced dual-channel dash cameras on the market. Featuring 4K HDR recording, AI-powered NightVIS technology, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, GPS tracking, ADAS safety assistance, voice control, and intelligent 24-hour parking surveillance. Designed for modern drivers who demand both security and convenience, the DDPAI N5 combines cutting-edge hardware with intelligent software features to ensure every journey is recorded with outstanding clarity and reliability. The front camera captures stunning 4K Ultra HD footage, while the rear camera provides additional coverage to protect against rear-end collisions, parking incidents, and unexpected events on the road. Thanks to HDR image processing technology, the camera maintains excellent detail and balanced exposure in bright sunlight, tunnels, nighttime driving, and difficult lighting conditions. The exclusive AI NightVIS technology significantly improves low-light visibility, allowing the camera to capture sharper images, clearer license plates, and more road details even during nighttime driving or in poorly lit environments. Key features: dual-channel front and rear recording system, front 4K Ultra HD video recording, rear high-definition recording camera, advanced HDR image processing technology, AI NightVIS enhanced night vision, ultra-clear day and night recording, Wi-Fi 6 high-speed wireless connectivity, built-in GPS tracking, real-time speed and route recording, advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, voice control functionality, hands-free operation, 24-hour parking monitoring mode, collision detection and emergency recording, intelligent event protection, wide-angle field of view, loop recording support, G-sensor automatic incident detection, mobile application connectivity, easy video playback and sharing, high-performance image sensor, premium build quality, reliable operation in all weather conditions. The integrated GPS module records speed, driving routes, and location information, providing valuable data for trip reviews, insurance claims, and driving analysis. With Wi-Fi 6 technology, transferring videos to your smartphone is faster and more stable than ever before, allowing instant access to recordings directly through the DDPAI mobile application without removing the memory card. The intelligent ADAS system adds an additional layer of safety by providing driving assistance features and alerts designed to improve awareness and reduce the risk of accidents during daily commutes and long-distance travel. Voice control functionality allows drivers to operate key features without taking their hands off the steering wheel, improving both convenience and road safety. Voice control functionality allows drivers to operate key features without taking their hands off the steering wheel, improving both convenience and road safety. The advanced 24-hour parking mode continues to protect your vehicle even when parked. If vibrations, impacts, or suspicious movements are detected, the camera automatically wakes up and records emergency footage to provide evidence and additional peace of mind. Whether you are a daily commuter, professional driver, rideshare operator, or road trip enthusiast, the DDPAI N5 delivers premium recording performance, intelligent safety functions, and reliable protection for every journey. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews, installation guides, and demonstrations of the latest innovations in dash cameras, automotive technology, and smart vehicle accessories.